Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify deprecated API calls. So if you're seeing warnings about deprecated API calls in your Shopify store, follow these steps shown in this video to resolve them. First one is checking for API deprecation warnings. So navigate to your Shopify admin page, navigate to settings, then navigate to API notifications to see details about deprecated API calls. Shopify logs outdated API calls and suggests updated endpoints. Now, second way to fix this problem is update your apps and integration. So if you're using a third-party app, check if they need update. You can click on settings and navigate to apps and series channels and check it just right here. Now, if any app is causing deprecated calls, contact its developer for a fix. Now, third way to fix this problem is reviewing API call logs. So you can use Shopify's GraphQL or REST API to check which API version your store is using. Run API health reports in Shopify's partner dashboard if you are a developer. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is migrate to the latest API version. Shopify updates its API regularly, deprecating older versions. Refer to Shopify API changelog to see required updates. You can modify your app's code to use the latest stable API version. Now, you can also test your API calls or regenerate API credentials if necessary. Now, if you're unsure which API calls are causing issues, reach out to Shopify's developer support for guidance. So by following these steps, you can ensure your Shopify store stays compliant and functional without running into deprecated API issues. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.